What's up, guys? So a little while back this truck threw the check engine code P0441. I changed the purge valve, light went away. I thought, cool, done, easy. It's back, and this time it's P0456, small EVAP leak. And if you've ever chased one of these, you know how annoying this could get. So today, that's what we're doing. We're chasing it down. Fix the obvious thing, and the truck says, cool, now deal with this.
Pocket sand.
P0456, that's a very small leak. We're talking like sewing needle small, tiny, 20 thousandths of an inch. And on a truck this age, that pinhole leak could be just about anywhere. So that's where we're gonna start. All right, so let's check this gas cap. Make sure it's still okay. See, it looks good. Gas cap's fine. That all looks good. Okay. Alright, so what I'm thinking is I want to start with these EVAP hoses. I mean, after 14 years, these things got to be just dry rotted and cracked up. So let's just start here. Yeah, look at that. Just, I wouldn't be surprised if that's what is causing this crack or this leak. And these clamps are pretty useless. Look at that, 25 feet of vacuum hose and new clamps. I've actually got 50 feet. I've got two sizes of the vacuum hose. Those clamps, all said and done, probably $45, $50. And it's way more than enough hose. So that's good enough. Alright, so that wraps up under the hood. Got this one, this hose, and this hose changed. Purge valve's new. Doubt the metal hose down there's deteriorated. Clamps on everything. Time to trace it underneath the truck. Alright, so there they are, right there. There's your fuel tank. All of that. It's all charcoal canister, vacuum pump, some hoses. I don't want to drop the tank, and I don't want to try to take that out. So I'm going to see what I can get to. Hopefully I can get to the vent valve. We can check that, but it might be up top. So we'll see. Let me check it out. Okay, this is your charcoal canister. Here's your fuel tank. This right here is your rear axle. I can see it. I just can't get to it. I'm not here to sell you a perfect ending. Okay. P0456 is cleared. For now. The light comes back on, and it probably will. I gotta take that tank down, and you guys are coming with me. That might be the bigger, better video. And if you've chased a P0456 before, or if you've dropped the fuel tank on a Tacoma and know something that I don't, drop it down in the comments. Let me know. Because as you can tell, I'm trying to figure it out as I go. Anyway, make sure you subscribe, because if that light comes back on, you guys aren't going to want to miss me trying to drop a fuel tank in a parking lot. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys later.